Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a room tour of the Wyndham Pagosa Resort, the condo units in the Village Landing area. This is what the outside looks like. We have a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit overlooking the lake. Rustic mountain looking from the outside, but very nice inside. This is when you first walk into the unit. This is the living room area. You have a chair and a sofa in the living room. And in the bedroom area, you have a king-size bed, flat screen TV, and a door to the balcony from the bedroom. Balcony overlooks the lake. Lake's still partially frozen. And you have a table with 4 chairs. These are other Wyndham timeshare units around the lake. They have many different areas, many different timeshare units. All of them are a little bit different. Now we'll go into the bathroom. In the bathroom, you have a big jetted jacuzzi tub, single sink, shower, toilet, and the washer and dryer are also in with the shower area. Now we'll walk back out into the living room area. From the living room, you have nice big picture windows. You can see the lake right out the windows. And the kitchen table. From the kitchen table, you also have a wonderful view of the lake. And the kitchen. Fully stocked kitchen. Toaster, blender, silverware. Pots and pans, bowls. Plates, bowls, and cups. Microwave and an oven. More bowls, pans. Kitchen utensils. Coffee maker. More cups, wine glasses. Full-size fridge. Dishwasher. And more drawers for storage. More kitchen utensils. Knives and a cutting board. That's going to complete the room tour of the Wyndham Pagosa, the 1-bedroom condo unit in the Village Landing section. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to come.